Assalamualaikum. I'm back to show you my Lush Chiffon tutorial. I pernah tunjuk before this and for a different color, but this time around I will show you using this best-selling color, the mulberry color. So this is Lush Chiffon. It's exactly the same how you wear any of my Lush. So you take the label seperti biasa, put at your tengkuk, your leher belakang ni, then you turn. Okay, you turn and don't let go. When you want to taruh kat kepala, you pegang sekali macam ni. Because kalau you let go, it will be ketat on your neck. Just like that. Then after that, it's very important that you kasih selesa, you untangle it sampai you can move it. Okay, and now I can move it. Okay, so kalau you nak dia macam kalau you tak nak macam pin or anything, you want the flowy like that pun boleh, you just pin like that. Kalau you nak dia terletak, tak nak bergerak langsung, you can brooch it like that. Or kalau you nak dia macam kemas pun boleh, you just do this. Do this, then you boleh adjust lah how you want it to be. Dan sini you can pin. So that's about it. It's very easy, and then you will have the drape. Inshallah, this chiffon gives you nice draping, so you tak payah risau kalau dia stiff ke apa. It's not stiff and it's soft and lightweight.